All right, so this is a question from 3.09, which is representing, it says AD is tangent to circle B at point C. So this is the point of tangency right here with C. AD is a tangent line, so this line that you see is a tangent line. This is, what is the measure of angle BCA? So right here. Well, there's a theorem that tells us that any radius, notice this is the radius coming from the center B out to the point of tangency, any radius of a circle forms a right angle with any point of tangency on the circle. So that angle has to be 90 degrees, and that's just from the theorem that tells us that. Any radius in a circle will form a right angle with any tangent line to the circle if it's meeting at a point of tangency. This next one, we want to know the value of n, but you need to know the theorem, which tells us, I like to say piece times piece equals piece times piece for each of these segments. So these are chords of a circle, and when you have two intersecting chords, if you multiply their pieces together, they're equal. So I know 9 times n plus 7 has to be equal, so I did 9 times n plus 7, the two pieces of that chord, has to be equal to n plus 1 times 18. So I'm going to write it as 18 times n plus 1. So we'll do 9n plus 63, distributing that 9, equals 18n plus 18. We'll simplify. Let's subtract 9n on both sides. And we will get 63 is equal to 9n plus 18. We subtract the 18. Subtract the 18. You get 45 is equal to 9n. Divide by 9. Divide by 9. And you get 5 equals n. So all you do there again is just setting up for these two chords, piece times piece equals piece times piece, and then it's just algebra from there.